Welcome back to How Fred Does It. Today we got a little project. I got the Kasue portable steam sauna. It's a personal indoor, looks like a cloth based system. So we'll go ahead and get this opened up and assembled, and then we'll see how it goes with all the bike riding and some of the back issues I've been dealing with. I thought maybe a sauna might help with some of this soreness that I've been having. So we'll go ahead and get this thing opened up and start putting it together. They say it goes together pretty quick, so let's see what we got here. Got the instructions, obviously. Set those over there. We've got the it's like the cover for the outside. We'll set that here. And we've got, comes with a chair for inside the oh, that's a cute little chair. My backside might even fit on that. Reading some of the discussions and talking to other folks, they say you probably want to replace this at some point with a metal chair, something you can clean and disinfect. But for now, we'll give that a go. This thing is about 34 by 34, so it's not got a lot of space, and it's 72 or 73 inches tall. So this looks like pieces for the steamer, and then these are legs for the sides, all of the different fittings, some scouring cloths to clean it up, more foam, and okay, we're gonna have to get this out. This is the steamer unit, sauna steamer, 1000 watt, goes up to 99 minutes. I don't think I'll ever be in there 99 minutes. They say it takes 5 to 10 minutes to heat up. Some of the reports said that if you're doing it outside in a cold environment, that you may have some challenges getting it hot enough, but we're gonna set it up here in the garage. Hopefully once it's set up I can move it over pretty easy to where I'm gonna put it, but there's not a lot of space over there to actually set it up and film. So let's go ahead and look at the instructions. Yeah, I'm gonna look at the instructions. Otherwise I'm gonna end up putting all these different pieces together in the wrong spot. I assume the long ones are the uprights, and assume the short ones are the sides, but y'all know what happens when we assume, at least I know what happens when I assume that there's 4 short pipe and 4 of the 3D, yep, 3 ways, yep, so I was right. So the short pipes are the sides and the uprights are the longer ones. Okay, so we'll set that here. Open the bag up. Got my little helpers down here and not too sure what to do. Sienna and Zaffer, always in the way, aren't you? At least you're not barking at the moment. I'm sure that won't last. Alright, so we need the 3 ways. So you just slide together. put these on the end here first. That way they'll should slide on. I'm not having to try force that to spread out. Oh, it's really raining out there. We have rain and windstorms tonight. And so now we need 4 of the longer ones. This gently so we don't break that plastic. All right. Now we need, there should be 2 of these that go, looks like 4-way. On the back. Alright, and there should be 2 that go 3-way because this front is got to stay open for the door. So we need 2 more of the short ones. Alright, and we'll go up with the last 4. Oh, we're gonna lose power. Oh, right in the middle of filming. We don't lose power here very often. We're not too far from the prison up the street, jail, whatever you want to call it. So we usually always have power. Oh, it's really flickering. Well, it'll be what it'll be. Got my big battery charged up for emergency needs. Of course, that'll run computer for work and CPAP if needed and simple stuff like that. Okay, and then the last 4 of the pipes. Boy, this really does go quick. There's got to be more to it, one would think. They say that the wrap that goes around it can be kind of tight, and to be gentle with that on some of these different models that were out there on the interwebs. This one was on sale. Well, you know how those sales are. Probably if I look next week is same price, but I went a little bit more expensive one. That one is super cheapy, but I obviously don't want to pay for a wood sauna either, at least not till I know it's something I use and enjoy. Alrighty, so we got all of those. Next, fit the top cover onto the upper frame and zip up both. Okay, insert the entire frame into the black waterproof layer at the bottom. Okay, so there must be multiple layers in this. the door. Bottom. There's got to be a zipper on here somewhere. Nice. Unzips all the way around. Okay. So and the door is going to be that side, which means it's got to lay over here. Yeah, it is a little tight. Oh. There it goes. Once it starts going in, it's not too bad. All right. Okay. Put this over the top. Open the door the rest of the way here. Got my safety Crocs on tonight, and wife just had the van in here and the floor's wet, and let's just say they're not very safety on a wet floor. The turn safety Crocs came from my buddy Andy, who I did a video on sharpening the chainsaw, and on a whim I decided we'd go see how well it would cut, and I was wearing my Crocs, so probably not the best thing to be doing out cutting wood with Crocs on. Come on, zipper. So he dubbed them my safety Crocs. Well, that's kind of the inside joke now. Whenever I'm doing something I probably shouldn't be doing and should be getting real shoes on. So I'll tell you right now, you want to be gentle with this zipper on these corners. It was a little bit sticky there. Alright, well there's the front zipped up. let's see. This chair might be, yeah, I sit in that, I'll never get out of it. We'll have to see if we can find a little different chair. But, all right. So, there you go. That's pretty much the sauna. We'll, yeah, use a hose to connect the pipe adapter. Yeah, the hose should be connected to the transparent medicine container. Well, I'm not using medicine. Huh, okay. So yeah, we'll just have to move it into place, and the pump hooks up to not the back. Yep. The instructions show a place to hook the hose up to. Oh, the back window opens. You need a little fresh air while you're in there. Okay, well, I guess it's the side window. Okay, oh, front window does too. Oh, we'll have to do a little research on that, because the instructions are not matching the tent, unless I'm supposed to cut a hole in it. So we'll pause here. We'll move it into place, and we'll come back to that at another time. Thank you all. We'll see you soon. Alrighty, we're back. We got it all put together. I'll walk you through some of that in a minute, but let's see what it's like to sit down in here. Zip it up. It's kind of tight. I can zip it all the way up. So, there you go. That's it. That's the sauna. Got a red light in here. And, yeah, it's actually pretty spacious. I don't know if you can hear me at all. Hey, everybody. So, we'll see. We'll try it out later tonight. Just for bedtime. We'll, fire it up and give it a go, and I'm gonna have to put some ties on these zippers, I think. There it is. A little tight to get to, but that poor old chair's seen better days too. It's like sitting on the ground. Okay, so we'll go ahead and pop the camera out here. So what we got the controller over here. I don't really have it turned on. I just got water in it, and found the hole for the hose there to go in. I got to get me a short cord. I don't have any plug-ins over here on this wall, but so that's the steamer unit, and that little white puck on the floor there is where the steam will come out. I'll put that in the center. But the red light just velcros up there, and you got a little window on that side. So yeah, we'll give that a go, see how it works. I just got it on a power strip over here right now, so we'll shut the power strip off, and we'll get some more permanent power running over here after we try it out and see if that's what we want and where we want it. But yeah, we'll give you a little report later, probably tomorrow morning, and after tonight, and see how it goes. But that's the personal sauna. Hopefully help with some of the soreness and the stiffness after all the riding and everything. And yeah, we'll catch you again here in a little bit. Okay, a little update on how the first sauna went yesterday. Out here in the garage, it's probably about 45 degrees, and reports on the Amazon site identified that if the unit is outside or in a colder garage, not inside, that it may not get hot enough, and it did not get overly hot last night. It was still comfortable and nice. Sat in it for about 20 minutes. But what I have done is I've gone ahead and put a layer of these Harbor Freight blankets over the outside and on top to see if that doesn't help insulate it a little better. And we'll give it a go again this evening. One of the things I've learned is I filled it up to maximum on the steaming unit, and that took a long time. Took almost 20 minutes for it to warm up and start steaming out here. So after 20 minutes I used maybe a pint or a little more of water. So I think I'll run it lower on water so it doesn't have to take all that time to heat all that water up. It probably holds at least a half gallon of water, if not more than that. So but overall, happy with it. And I did put a little different chair in there, but I will probably change that out. It's got a little red light. I don't remember if I showed you that before, but yeah, it's not too bad to sit in there and have a nice little sauna. So that's about it. That's how Fred does it. That's how I did it. And we'll catch you all later. Thanks again. Bye.